Okay, so guys, in this video we are going to learn how to fix not working, uh, YT Studio not working, or YouTube Studio not opening, or YouTube Studio problem. So if you are facing any problem with your YouTube Studio, then this is what you have to do. Sometimes when you go to your YouTube Studio and sometimes your amount is reducing, this is how to fix it. So first of all, tap on the phone menu, then you go to settings. So you tap on the settings button. What you have to do next is to scroll to app and management, or app management, or apps. So just tap on it, and after that tap on app list or app settings or see all apps. So you just tap on it. After that, you have to wait for it to load. When it loads, you scroll down to the bottom and you're going to see YT Studio. So just tap on the YT Studio app. After that, check the notification whether it's on. So as you can see, the notification is on over here. So if it is like this, then tap on it to turn it on. It's very important and necessary. And check the permissions. You have to allow the camera and also the storage. So as you can see, storage is allowed and camera is also allowed. This is also necessary. You have to do this. And next, tap on the storage and cache. Tap on the clear cache, then you tap on clear storage, and it says delete app data. All these apps data will be deleted permanently, including all files, settings, accounts, and other things. So this is very dangerous. So just tap on the cancel. If your problem, you think when you are fixing it and it's not working, then tap on OK. And please, when you are about to tap on OK, you have to make sure you remember your Gmail account you use to link your YouTube account. So it's very necessary. After that, what you have to do is to go back, then you tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi or data restriction. After that, turn on your background data. So you have to tap on it to turn it on. It's very necessary and important. After doing all this, what you have to do is to tap on force stop, then you tap on OK. So after doing all this, just go back to your phone menu again. So when you go to your phone menu, what you have to do is to go to your Play Store. So you have to launch to your Google Play Store on your phone. So let's try to launch into Google Play Store. So when you go to Play Store, what you have to do is to search for this YouTube Studio or YT Studio. Then you tap on the search button. After that, then you tap on it, then you tap on update to update it. So as you can see, it's pending over here. So what you have to do is to wait for it to start from 0 to 100, and after that it's going to install on your phone successfully. And I hope this is going to fix your problem. Thanks very much for watching this video. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, and after updating it, tap on the power button for long, and you are going to see this. You tap on the reboot, or you tap on restart to restart your device. After that, you are